Alright everyone, so before this video gets started, if you want to be a Lyft driver and get a huge sign-on bonus of up to $500, go ahead and use my link in the description to sign up. It's going to be the first link in the description. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and I'm the guy who uses all the hand motions, right? I've been reading the comments, okay? So I just want to say thanks for coming back, and I want to make this super quick video. I'm asking you, I need your guys' help. Should I sell my car? It's something that I've been thinking about for a while. I'm not 100% certain on either way, so maybe you guys can help me. I know a lot of you guys are rideshare drivers, and if you're a rideshare driver, go ahead and leave a comment below. I just want to see how many people out there watching my videos are actually rideshare drivers. So, just comment below what you drive for, or even if you do delivery like DoorDash or Uber Eats. I want to get a gauge. So, really quick, I bought this car right here. It's a Ford Escape. I bought it for $5,000. I got it through a family friend. It was kind of a hookup. When I got it, the car was valued at about $10,000. So I got it for pretty much half off, which is nice. Maybe like closer to $9,000. But to give you a little bit of backstory, I am in college right now. I'm finishing college, and I actually don't even use the car. It's just sitting. I leave it at my parents' house, and I'm not putting any miles on it, which is nice, but every year it does go down in value, and I think now it's valued at around $7,000. So when I bought the car had about 100,000 miles on it, and now it has about 115. I'm just wondering, do I even really need a car? And I hear a lot of people talking about, just everything's gonna be rideshare, and I do, I take Uber and Lyfts all the time when I'm at school. And I'm just curious, do I really need a car? Maybe you guys can help me out. So basically the option is, do I sell it now, use that money to invest, and then if I do need a car in the future, buy another one? Or should I keep it so I know I have a super nice, reliable car? Because right before I bought it, the person who sold it to me put in about $2,000 worth of work into the car. Put in new valves, got brand new air conditioning, pretty much brand new tires. So what are your thoughts? Let me know. Should I sell it or should I keep it? You let me know. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Again, if you want to be a rideshare driver and drive for Lyft, go ahead and use my link in the description for a sign-on bonus. See you guys next time. Bye.